So guys, look at how I'm gonna be trading this assets Q step index. I'm just trying out stuff right now. I'm choosing to use this Q step index as my testimony already. I have some losses here. I didn't lost some money on this Q step index. I already lost like about um 5.40 dollars on this asset. I'm just out here and trying new assets and let's see how it goes. So just making this my strategy and see how it works. Okay. I'm doing all this so I can catch where the market is going to move. Big. I'm risking $2 to $3 per trade. Since this asset is an asset that just trades straight direction, looking at its direction, trading this way, see what I can do with it. Already lost a lot of trades here. Looking for a straight movement to a specific side of the chart. And note that this asset minimum take profit is $22. Okay, 21.7 dollars upward. This your take profit, and that's my take profit for this one. It's in the smallest lot size in this. Let's see how it goes. So to trade this asset, you need some amount of capital for this. You should be having at least $50 to working with this strategy I'm just implementing here. And the pair you're going to be talking with is the Q step index. Let me draw out the brush. This is for small accounts. Q step index, Q step index, Q step index down. You see it's going down. Now these are the losses I've had. Let's see how it goes. I like this asset because of its straight movement. It offers 80% chance of gradual declines and 20% chance of sharp rise. Looking forward to investing in this asset in the nearest future. This is $1.1 plus $5. $8.1 total loss. Let's see how best to recover that. You don't want the market to reverse. We're just looking at a straight ass trend. We need something that happened at this area to take place again, where it started going down from this point and then it kept on going down. Stop this one. I'll be back in a minute. Yeah, back in this video, and so I'm moving in our direction. Well, I was gonna ask me what's my stop loss for this one. I don't have a stop loss. I don't have a stop loss. Stopping at $3 loss. I'm back testing this on a $3 million account to see how well it will pay. My loss is $3 or $2, and I'm aiming for a sharp movement to the upward side. Still coming on this phone, guys. I apologize for the background noise. It's kind of public hotel where people make all this noise and stuff. So you're gonna hear that often side of this place. So I'm apologizing. So what am I aiming for right now? Aiming for a spike, sharp movement, so a specific direction. I like what this peer talks about, where it says offers 80% chance of gradual declines, 20% chance of surprise. This says it goes down more than it goes up, declining versus increment. Okay, once again, I think I'll be taking a stop loss. If I take a stop loss, I'll just look for another pair to trade with. That's the thing I'll do, is just looking at this. Let me take this off so you see better. Just take a look at how beautiful this market has been moving. No more fucking predictable market, predictable assets. Wow. I like the fact that it keeps going all the way smooth, but now I see a M formation, MNW pattern that we used to teach, and it's aiming for the downside. See it? M pattern form, M formation, then the retracement to the upward side, it goes down. But you can always say anytime this M shows up, it's gonna go down. It's not always gonna be that way. I'm trying to reverse psychology that shit right now. So and I'm losing money, right? I'm losing funds like $1.7 stuff. It's not a joke, you know. Okay, I'm getting back up. See, on the other hand, I have a hard block here, just underneath this area. Bias, I'm just talking to bias and stuff. So retest area. Oh, in a minute. A quick fact about me is that I like to see profits. Okay, I told you guys this is gonna rise up, and it's rising, so it's looking good for me. Let's see how we can make $20 from this one. This is a VIP video, like a VIP course, perhaps. You can see how well it is moving. We're showing you the right assets to trade, the right assets to invest in your money in, so you can always make good amounts of profits each time you come into this market. Never lose in this market again. Never lose your hard-earned funds in Forex. All you need to do is trade with frequency in its FX trading channel. This channel was optimized to making you rich trading the Forex market. And sometimes markets do take long period before it reaches its maximum capacity that is to the upside. Like you see here, waits as 1 hour. The markets use the whole 1 hour to go from this point. Let me use this. No, let me just take this off. This particular candle from here to here. to accumulate $22. It was about an hour. And you see markets ranged here. So, oh, that's 30 minutes. I thought I was in the 1 hour time frame. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. Nigerians like to hear South African music. It's the background music you can hear right now. I feel it like we like South African songs so much. Okay, it took 30 minutes. Okay, like in 30 minutes time, you can actually make $22 from this pair. See, that was what happened here. 30 minutes. The market was from this point. Where did I draw this box from? This point to this point. 30 minutes time. A lot of things used to happen. So you get to feel the jams when it's happening, right? Yeah, that's it. In this case, see some other smaller candles we had here. We're just playing around. They're not even making a lot of space. So it's not a compulsory that this particular candle reaches here in an hour time. But why am I making this video? I'm making this video so I can educate you all on how to trade the right pair when you are in this channel. So trading on this channel, you're trading the right pair, okay? I think I want to sing to this song. I think that's Scottish Lease. See the party knee. To the party twilly lily. Spata to the tilly lily. Spata to the Scottish Lee. But it's been to the Wally. But they want to tilly lily. Tilly lily. Tilly lily. Party tilly lily. Tilly lily. Tilly lily. Voila. Damn, guys, I like the song so much. You know the vibe with me on this song when I say Skitty and a mankava, skating days cara, shaking days carry, tension ventala, sculling a mascava, sensation this come. My type of forex teacher is different from others because I don't see any forex student teacher come on charts live and sing song while teaching, but I'm doing that right now. It's just a place we have fun, like we're learning, right? So we should be having fun too. So no crimes. This is Frequency the FX Trader channel. Damn, this is your boy. I like music so much, so you should know that. So this is one of the things we're gonna be getting here in the channel, like music during trading summons. I mean, we're just waiting for the markets to eat our profit. Like I'm willing to wait for this market to get into my profit, even if it's gonna take a whole hour. I don't care. Like I don't really give a fuck if it's gonna take an hour before it gets to my TP. All right. This is 2026, guys. You see, all the songs are already going through the veins, the minds of people, like Obafia. So what do we have here? The market is showing a red candle. Should I close the trade or not? The market already took $7 from us. $7. This particular pair. Let's do something else right now. What are we gonna do, guys? I want to show you another asset I'm looking forward to exploring. Yes, let's go and check that out. So I'm trading with this Q step 4 down index. Let me look. Where's the 4 going? Now, there's something I want you to notice about markets and their spread. Take a look at the spread. You know what a spread is, right? Let me draw this so you see it. This is a spread. 21656 is the spread. 413 is the spread. 1930 is the spread here. 4822 is also the spread. 12755 is the spread. So all the spread, what do they do? Basically tell you how much it's gonna be. It's gonna be subtracted from your account each time you take that trade. Each time you take the trade, how much is gonna be subtracted from your account, and as a fee you use in entering the market. Okay, when you want to trade, you pay a certain amount of fee, then you enter a market, and when you do, your trade is going to be executed. You enter a trade, you sometimes see minus 1 point something and divided by the lot size you're using, and the minimum lot size they are allowing, and that's how much it's going to be divided and subtracted from your account. So with not actually trading them, but looking at charts, looking for something as similar as what we just saw right now with this asset that is doing a lot. What I notice in this asset is the way the market is moving is not good, right? It's not moving like I wanted to. There's ranges. I see all the scratches. I don't like market with scratches on them. I don't like market with scratches on them. These are like, all those stuff. They like can make fast profits from a market like that. So it's not good. So I'm not trading this one. There's a way we check out markets we want to trade. Like when you start seeing the market having all of this range, you don't want to trade. You don't want to go close to it. Trust me, don't go close to it. Even the boom 1000 at the time was right. The boom 1000 at the time was going well, not until it stopped moving. But at the time also this market was also like going down well. Like everybody thought it was like a momentum. Something about this PA is when they just get released, there's usually a lot of spikes on them. There's a lot of investors bringing their money in, and that's something you do not know. Investors are looking for peers and assets to trade with in this market. Investors who want to invest their money in this trading game, they come into this market and then they're looking for new peers to invest in, and all of this 30 to 2 minutes scratches not making real sense to me. Not all the investors in the world have all the patience and time to waiting for all of these peers, all of those scratches, waiting for hours, waiting for days and months before they make profit. And usually professional traders, very very patient traders, go to the week 1 time frame and do the analysis. They hold PS for a week, they hold a market for a week and capitalize on its on its yearly outcome. Okay, so that's how some people make money in this market. So probably if you're holding markets for a longer period of time, you have more probability of winning. But with my eagle highs here, I'm just looking for something we can immediately invest in and then get instant profit from, something scalpable. Like I found this one. Q step Q index. Okay, this is the same index we're just looking at now. There's no difference there. Let's go to the 5 and see how the 5 goes. 90% of Oh wow, guys, what do we see here? This is another potential investment opportunity. Let's look at its irrationality from the past. What do we see with our eagle eyes, guys? Some ranges here, but you see it keeps moving, guys. It moves. It's predictable, but then at sometimes becomes unpredictable. You zoom out. That's the first thing you do. When I see an asset, you zoom out. Look at its rationality. It's not moving well. It's going zigzag, zigzag. I don't like that. Check out the Bum 1K. It's a casted pair. Yeah, we teach trades, signals, and we also teach you the outcomes too. Like we teach you what it's gonna be in the future, and you need to understand how it works. So look at it. This is Bum 1K. Bum 1K is casted too. I'm kind of running out of space right now. Should do something about that. It's kind of crazy. Let's check this out. What do I have here? Skill step 5. It's not looking good too. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. Oh, Auricular fashion message to me. She said, okay. I think I need to put that on DND because I'm teaching. So, yeah, we're back, guys, and at this moment, I don't think I want to keep going with this pair anymore. I'll stop the video, guys, and I won't be updating you whether it wins or not, because I'll be stopping it right now. So, see you in my next video. This is Frequency and FX Channel. Next video, bye.